Welcome to the osgui.com video tutorial on how to customize your default appearance of Ubuntu 9 and all the other sort of Ubuntu and any really GNOME release GNOME graphical user interface. How to customize it, in my opinion, so that it's a bit more user friendly, so that your nano will be able to use it, anyone will be able to use it, because I personally feel that with the bar at the top and the bottom, that's, in my opinion, confusing to users, and most users are used to either just having a bar at the top or at the bottom, but 90% of people use Windows, unfortunately, so they're all used to having the bar and the taskbar at the bottom. So as you can see here, I'm removing the excess icons that we don't need, and decided not to keep Firefox icon, but you might want to keep that there. And I've decided to get rid of the big menu too, because it's a bit confusing as well for new users, I think. That's the show desktop icon, and that's commonly always there on a Windows system, so I'll just move that to there. You just got to right click on these little icons to move them. So I'm removing multiple desktops because, well, novice users don't have a clue what that is, and it just gets in the way. I'll also disable that later. So add to panel is how to add another type of start menu. Now there's multiple types of start menus you can get, and I'm just going to choose the standard GNOME one, which I think is probably a bit more like Windows 2000 or something than the one that comes with Ubuntu. I was just checking to see. There's some way to put a word on it so you can like write start there or something, but I'm not quite sure what it is right now. So let's move on and tidy this up a little bit and move these all closer together. And taskbar now looks more like a Windows 90 kind of Windows 1. Classic Windows, you should say. So here I'm fired up Ubuntu Tweak because we can turn on the My Computer icon, or the computer icon, and the recycle bin, trash, and the My Documents folders. So by turning them on in the desktop, that will improve usability for newbies, because they're used to those icons, and even I like to use those icons. The reason why is because My Computer also houses all your devices. So your CD-ROM drive there and your floppy drive, and you'll have all your multiple hard drives there if you have multiple hard drives. So that's where I think 90% of users are used to seeing their drives. So it only makes sense that that's the way it be configured, so that you can see the hard drives within My Computer. So it's a pretty easy thing to do to Ubuntu that doesn't have that, but other Linux distributions such as Linux Mint are already pre-configured to have the My Computer icon on there, on the desktop. So they, as I've said, I recommend them for first-time newbies or people who want an experience as close to Windows and don't want to need to tinker themselves. But if you want to tinker yourself or just start off with a fresh Ubuntu, then this video has been a good demonstration on how to get started with customizing your settings.